middle of the Pacific, a tiny island became the stage for a story of courage and survival that few have ever heard. Caught between two mighty armies, the civilians of this island had no choice but to hide, adapt, and fight in the shadows. Japan and the United States both wanted control, but the islanders were determined to survive. They dug tunnels and hid in caves, creating a secret network that would keep them safe from bombs and gunfire. Food was scarce, water was precious, and every day was a battle against nature and fear. From these hidden tunnels, they watched, waited, and sometimes even sabotaged enemy supplies quietly. The island's geography became their greatest weapon. Cliffs, dense forests, and hidden caves made it almost impossible for the armies to conquer. Stories tell of brave men and women signaling each other across ravines and rivers, coordinating survival without modern tools. Despite the chaos surrounding them, they held on to hope, community, and a determination that outmatched any army. At night, under the cover of darkness, some would sneak to sabotage enemy equipment or relay vital information. The world outside would never know their names, but their courage kept the island alive. Each wave that crashed against the shore was a reminder. Nature was as much an ally as it was a threat. The islanders' ingenuity and bravery turned a small, seemingly insignificant place into a fortress that could not be easily defeated. Even as bombs fell and bullets flew, the island's people survived, not because they had weapons, but because they had unity, knowledge of their land, and unbreakable will. Today, the island stands quiet, its beaches calm, but the echoes of courage from those who survived still linger in the wind. This is the story of an island that fought an entire army alone and lived to tell the tale.